Hey everyone, is your Verizon landline giving you trouble? No worries. In this video, I'll walk you through quick and effective fixes to restore your connection. Let's get started. To fix a Verizon landline not working, first check that all receivers are on the hook and the phone line is securely plugged into the jack. If the problem persists, try using a different phone or a phone jack to isolate whether the issue is with the phone or the wiring. If no dial tone remains, disconnect all devices connected to the line one at a time to identify any fault equipment and contact Verizon Repair if the problem is with the phone jack or external line. Why Verizon landline not working? The phone may not be properly plugged into the wall jack or power outlet if required. The phone cord or device could be damaged or faulty. The phone jack or internal wiring in your home might be defective. Multiple devices connected to the same line, fax, modem, etc., could cause interference. The phone keypad might be stuck or malfunctioning. External service outages or line problems from Verizon's side. Fix one check phone connections and receivers, ensuring all phone receivers are on the hook and cable are securely plugged in addresses. The most basic cause of no dial tone, such as loose connection or accidentally off hook handset. Ensure all telephone receivers are properly placed on the hook. Verify that the telephone line is securely plugged into the phone jack. Inspect all cords and cables for any visible damage or loose connection. Fix 2. Test with a different phone. Try a different jack and identify whether the issue is with a specific jack or a phone itself. First, the problem is isolated to the phone, unplug it, and try connecting a different working phone to the same phone jack. If the new phone has a dial tone, the original phone may be faulty. Fix 3. Try a different phone jack. If the replacement phone also has no dial tone, try plugging the phone into a different phone jack. If the dial tone returns on the other jack, the original jack may be defective and require repair. Fix 4. Disconnect all devices from the phone line. This method also rules out interference or fault caused by additional equipment, which is the common cause of line problems. Unplug all devices connected to your phone line, such as phones, modems, pads, machines, and answering machines. Leave each device disconnected for about 30 seconds before reconnect the next one. After unplugging each device, check for a dial tone. When you reach a device after which the dial tone returns, that last disconnected device is likely faulty and should be replaced or repaired. Fix 5. Test from the network interface device NID. Plugging a corded phone directly into the NID, the point where the phone line enters your home, help determine if the problem is inside your home internal wiring or devices, or with the external line provided by your service provider. Locate the NID, usually a gray box outside or inside your home where the phone line enters. Open the customer access panel and plug a corded phone directly into the test jack. If you hear a dial tone here, the problem is inside your home wiring or equipment. If not, connect your phone service provider. Fix 6. Check for service outages. Confirm there is a no phone service outages in your area by contacting your service provider or using their online tools. Fix 7. Inspect phone equipment and settings. For cordless phones, ensure the base unit is plugged in and batteries are charged. Confirm that handsets are properly registered to the base unit. Check that the phone is set to touch tone, not pulse mode. Press each button on the keypad to ensure none are stuck or malfunctioning. Fix 8. Contact your phone service provider. If all troubleshooting steps fail and no dial tone is present, contact your phone company or repair service for further assistance or to schedule a technician visit. You might need to replace the device. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, please hit the like button, and if you want to see more videos, hit the subscribe button.